Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have a surprise for everyone. The Oculus Quest 2. I am very excited. This is my very first VR headset ever and I cannot wait. So this is going to be a full unboxing video. I don't know if I'll be able to record the setup yet. So we are going to wait on the setup, but this is the full unboxing here today. So I have taken off the wrapper. Now, I'm pretty sure we just push it out of this little thing here. Don't really know how. I was figuring it would have like a little thingy, but it does not. Maybe we just... Oh, there we go. There's that. So, here we go. Official Oculus logo. The box. Here we go. Woo! Baby, that is clean. Okay, so what do we have here? We have our headset, very tiny by the way. This thing is kind of small. So we have two cameras at the top. Here are controllers, a little bit tiny as well. We have some steps to put on, including the strap steps. I guess we'll just take this out. So here we have the controller, regular XY button. There's a menu slot, trigger on the pointer finger, or actually trigger on the middle finger, another trigger on the pointer finger, and a ring for the sensor, I'm pretty sure. So it feels very ergonomic. Like I can literally just hold it out and it feels super normal, like really normal. Kind of weird. Then here's the other one. The exact same, A and B button instead of XY. A little bit dirty on the inside already. Don't know how that happened. That's the battery slot on the side there. Yeah, so those are controllers. Here's the headset. Move lenses left and right to find the clearest view. Okay, so we have a little lift panel. We take that off and we just set it up from there. Okay, so here's the headset in my hand. Again, very high quality fabric right here. It feels very nice. The headrest, a little bit squishy. Feels like it would fit really nice. There's a little paper wrapping on the side when you get it at first, so it stays clean, I'm pretty sure. I may just take that off now. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, little paper wrapping. Now, let's see here. That's the thing for moving lenses. So here we go. Here's the headset with the straps out. Just like that. This one goes up a little bit, but it has a Velcro slot right here, so then you can tighten that up, and then these are also tighteners on the side here. So no liquid cleaners on the lenses and no sunlight on the lenses. Those are the two things it says. That's it. Let me actually I can't see without a game on. Let's see how this fits. Okay, so the starting one doesn't even fit my head, so I'm definitely gonna have to do something about that. Here we will. Is something getting tighter? Or is that making it? Let's make it tighter. Okay. I'm gonna just like stretch it. Okay, here we go. A little bit bigger. Again, I'm trying to make it stay so it's even, but kind of struggling a little bit here. Trying to work this odd thing. Yeah, let me just flatten that out. Nope, still a little bit too... It just made it tighter. Oh, did it? Oh boy, I'm struggling already. Oh, at the bottom we have a volume button. At the front, just standard Oculus 4 cameras. On the edges, oh, here are the speakers. On the inside, you have little speaker panels, like that one right there. Those are for headphones. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do something about this. Let me pause.